Welcome back, everyone. It is the afterbell for Wednesday, March 18th. If you expected the market to cave after yesterday's rate hike, think again. The ASX 200 actually managed to push higher today, closing up 0.31% at 8,640.6 points. Why the green screen? It's all about that 5-4 split vote from the RBA. Yes, Michelle Bullock hiked us to 4.10%, but the fact that 4 board members wanted to hold suggests we are at the absolute peak of this cycle. The market is effectively calling the RBA's bluff, betting that this is the last hurrah for the hawks before a long pause. Let's get the figures right on the big movers today. The tech rebound Xero XRO finally snapped its losing streak. After a brutal fortnight, Xero surged 2.28% today to close at 79.39. It was a massive relief rally for the software giant as investors bet that a divided RBA means the worst of the yield spike pressure is over. The coal play. Energy was a powerhouse today. New Hope, NHC, didn't slide. It soared 5.85% to close at 525. Investors are piling into the high-yield coal plays as energy security remains the global theme. Yancoal, YAL, however, was the outlier, dipping slightly, down 0.66% to close at 752. The laggards. High multiple healthcare was the victim today. Pro Medicus, PME, fell 2.19% to close at $125 to $31. Despite the broader tech bounce, PME is still finding its floor after a massive run earlier this year. In commodities, the war premium is showing some minor volatility as traders weigh supply shocks against profit-taking. Brent crude oil eased slightly, down 2.46% to $100.88 a barrel. This came after news of a deal between Iraqi and Kurdish authorities to resume some exports, but with the Strait of Hormuz still effectively a no-go zone, 100 plucos oil is the new normal. Gold is acting as the market's anchor, holding steady at $5,004. It's the ultimate safe haven right now. Iron ore also showed some grit, ticking up to $105.70, providing a solid base for the big miners like BHP and Rio. Strategy for tomorrow? We just had the RBA's divided last hurrah, and now the boss speaks. The U.S. Federal Reserve delivers its decision tonight. If Jerome Powell follows Michelle Bullock's lead and shows a divided board, get ready for a massive risk-on explosion tomorrow morning. Smash that like button, and I'll see you at the open for the Fed fallout.